ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಭಾನುವಾರ of course Father's Day ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, but there's something else happening and ಅದ್ರ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಇರೋ ಹೊಸ ಕೋ-ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಸ್ಸಂಜೆ ಮಾತುಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರ, ಯಾರು ಇವರು ಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಆವಾಗ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. I'm getting text, who's this beautiful person ಅಂತ. Of course, ನಾನು introduce Martini, and for people who are listening to this particular segment, you may not know Kannada as well, so we may switch back and forth from Kannada to English as well. None other than Vijaya Patil from all the way in Dayton, Ohio. Namaskara and swagata to Mussanje Matu.
Namaskara, and thank you so much for having me over, Usha and Krishna. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Welcome.
ಸೊ ವಿಜಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ತುಂಬಾ ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಒಹಾಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೆಷರ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಹಿಯರ್ ಟುಡೇ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಶಿ ಹಿಯರ್? ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಂಡೇ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಯೋಗಾ ಡೇ. ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಯೋಗಾ ಡೇ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಹರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅ ಯೋಗ ಟೀಚರ್ and she teaches a lot of yoga classes, which I think we're going to socialize ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಸ್ಸಂಜೆ ಮಾತುನಲ್ಲಿ ಖಂಡಿತ. But she gets all the inspiration, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಸಿಗೋದು ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆಯಿಂದ. ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಉಫ್ ಗುರುಜಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ. ಅವರು ಒನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಯೋಗ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ 1949 60 ವರ್ಷದ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಅವರ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್, ಹಿ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ಯೋಗ ಇಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ and free for you because it's really healthy for you. So adra vichara matadake ee bhanvara they have created a special program, absolute special program, golden opportunity nam elrigu anta helbodu. So Vijaya, over to you. International Yoga Conference anta ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ. So tell us a little bit of history and ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
Sure. Thank you, Usha. So this is, again, as you said, a very, very unique opportunity, not just for people who know about yoga, but people who are just curious to know more, you know. Yoga andmele, a lot of people think about it as a physical exercise, right? But here is a chance for you to understand what yoga really means. There are a variety of yoga happening throughout the world, but as Indians, we know yoga from our birth, right? From our childhood. So this opportunity is going to bring you closer to home. We have such amazing personalities. It's just an honor being in their presence, let alone listening to them speak. So I think basically this Utsahi Yoga Foundation was founded, as you said, on the basis of, providing yoga, knowledge of yoga, spreading it to all the common man from village to village. My father went when he was young, and he used to demonstrate yoga. He used to try and spread awareness. And back in 40s, as you said, and early 50s, even in the birthplace of yoga, India, there were some people who thought about it as witchcraft or circus. So just getting them to that level of understanding that there is so much more to it was a big task, and he was able to accomplish that. So today, thankfully, because of gurus like him, yoga needs no introduction in the world. So that is what we are trying to do today. So coming Sunday, we are going to have this International Yoga Conference. And because of Corona, we cannot meet anywhere. So we're going to do it virtual. And we have certain really very awesome orators. Like, if you don't mind, I'm just going to name a few here. So there are a few Swamijis, like His Holiness Sri Siddheshwar Swamiji from Vijaypur, who again, he also doesn't need much introduction in the world. He's one of the best orators, very, very wise and knowledgeable person, and scholars like him, and president of Vivekanand Vedanta Society in Chicago, and Ramakrishna Mission in Vijaypur and Gadag, and also another Swamiji from Gadag, from Dr. Tontadarya Sansthan Mat. So these Swamijis are scholars. Just being in their presence is like, blessing. And so imagine we get about 5 to 10 minutes with each of the Swamijis to listen to their message about yoga especially, and how to lead life. So that's one thing. And besides that, we have other great professionals, highly accomplished people like, I know you're friends with Yamuna. So Yamuna Srinidhi, and I'm sure you're going to talk a little bit about her. And then there's Justice Shivraj Patil. He's a retired former Chief Justice from Supreme Court. So, people like him and others, and there's an Indian Navy retired commander, and we also have people from here, like Dayton, Ohio Police Chief Richard Beale. So he's into yoga, he practices and teaches yoga. So people like them from different professions. Plus, in addition, we have about 8 or 10 medical experts, healthcare experts from different fields talking about yoga and how we can benefit our health. So that is, I think it went a little bit long, but I hope
Now
that.
you, ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿಜಯ ನೀವ್ ಎಷ್ಟು
No, well,
ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಬೂಮ್ ಬೂಮ್ ಬೂಮ್. ನಾನು
Yes,
ಕೃಷ್ಣ
I am
ನಾವು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಸಂಡೇ ಈ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಸಂಡೇ ದ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋನ್ ಬಿ?
So it will start in the morning, 9 o'clock for Eastern, which is going to be 8 a.m. for Central Time. So viewers from there, and then 6:30 p.m. in India. So that is the timing that is going to start. And because we have 21 speakers on the 21st of June, it is going to go for about 3 hours. He's our guest at this time. Yes, I will let you lead.
3 hours, 9 to
so
12. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ರೆಡಿನಾ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
yoga ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ready, but one of the things what I wanted to ask is certainly ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂನು yoga ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Everybody knows what yoga is, and all of us are aware about the only asana, which is shavasana, that
Shavasana.
everybody does every day. So apart from that, okay, let's say like if somebody is novice, they don't know any of the asanas except
Yes.
for shavasana, say somebody like me, is it going to be beneficial? Or let's say I'm somebody who's a starter, so is that going to be relevant if I were to attend the conference?
Yes. So the theme this year is yoga for all. So that's an excellent question. So what you asked, we welcome everyone. Experience level doesn't matter. So what you have to do is just be present there, be ready to get something useful and relevant for you and your own life. Each one of us is unique. We have unique needs, unique lifestyle, unique individual limitations in all ways. But when you come to this
Right.
conference, you have a plethora of speakers. There is a whole full, so you will get that agenda where you can actually look at the different talks that are going to happen, and you can pick which one seems a little more relevant to you. And please, as a beginner, this is an event where we want to encourage you to start yoga. So I hope both of you will be there.
ಓ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ
Yes,
ನನಗೆ
definitely.
ಯೋಗ ಕಲ್ಸಿ ಅವಳು ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ವಿಜಯ ಯು ಮೇ ಬಿ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ವಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. But we were talking about 21 speakers.
Yes.
So what was the idea? Ishtu speakers alla tandu, what is the message?
Sure.
What was your idea behind it?
Right, sure. So as I said, the theme is yoga for all. So our idea behind this, and again, I have to mention this, the whole vision of this conference is from Guruji. So he is such a visionary. Back when people didn't know about yoga, he had already thought about how it has to be implemented in the society. So he pretty much introduced it in every sector of the society. And he also started Department of Yoga Studies in various universities in India. And so what I'm trying to say is this whole conference was his vision as well. He has been trying to tell his students for the past 8 or 10 years to do it online. Well, Corona made us do it. So the idea behind this is trying to get this message out to people that no matter what background you're from, no matter what experience level you're having, yoga has something for you. So yoga is not just physical exercise. In yoga, a human being is considered as a union of prana or jiva, which is the life force, deha, which is the body, manassu, which is the mind, and intellect or buddhi, and also spirit or soul, which is Atman. So when you consider all these various aspects, there is so much to know, so much more. And the yoga is such a deep idea and deep system. So that is what we're trying to get out to everybody, that there is so much more to understand about yoga, and you can implement it to have a better health and better well-being.
So ಸುರೇಶ್ ರಂಗಣ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ,
Yes.
do I need to register?
Yes, please. So we prefer that you register. So, we have your contacts. If at all we need to send some updates, we can do that. And also registration will get you a certificate of participation. So please do go ahead and register.
Oh, certificate. Yes, awesome. So, yeah, that's nice. Actually, now speakers vichara matadidvi, and even like I said, Yamuna Srinidhi ಅವರು, she's actually a very avid yogi. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. So I'm thinking who are going to be teaching yoga? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ?
So yes, that's a great question, because I didn't want to skip that. So we are not going to actually practice yoga. So that is the thing. During these 3 hours, we are not there to practice yoga, do any practicals. We are there to understand about yoga. So these various speakers are going to, they all have a certain topic to talk about. So they'll help us understand or get a more in-depth knowledge about what yoga really is and how we can implement it. And we are providing weekly classes from Utsahi Yoga Foundation as Facebook Live. So once you are in and out of that conference, you know what is to be expected and how you need to approach yoga. You're welcome to join us in the free classes every Sunday.
Awesome. That's nice. Yeah. Actually, agenda for the 3 hours?
Yes, we will be putting up the agenda very soon, probably in the next couple days. And also, again, the registrants will be able to get that information too.
Awesome.
So, Ivaga Vijay, if somebody wants to register, because a lot of them asked, hey, do I have to register? And I asked you a very naive question saying that if I don't know yoga, so can I? So the answer is yes.
Yes. Yes.
Where is it that we could just get this information? ಇವಾಗ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅವರು?
So understanding more about the conference?
Yeah.
Yes. So please visit our website, utsahiyogafoundation.org. And right on the home page is a link for the International Yoga Conference. There's a button called Know More. If you click on that, it will exclusively take you to that event page. If you would like to understand more about the foundation and its work, and you can, of course, browse through other pages. But just for the conference details, go to that page, scroll up and down, and you will see the list of speakers, and you will get more information there.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಸ್ಸಂಜೆ ಮಾತು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಫ್ಲೈಯರ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇವರು ವಿಜಯ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ದಿ ವೈ ಡು ವಿ ಡೂ ಯೋಗ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೋಗ, ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ದಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಯು. ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಯೋಗ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಗೊತ್ತು, physical gosra gottu, but why, and so I think that's a real nice thing. Father's Day bere, so I think doing something special for your father, making sure he gets exposed to the health aspects of yoga. And hint Krishna ningu helta idini nanu, so you can definitely check it out anta heltini nanu. So people are saying hello to you, and they're really looking forward to it. This is an amazing conference that you guys are doing. The whole family, your whole family has been invested in the health of the world. And Utsahi Yoga Foundation is not only in India, 32 countries in the world. Ali iವರು practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It's a major feat for someone who started this alone, a one-man person to start this foundation. And I know you've been the champion in US. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯೋಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನ ಖಂಡಿತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಉಷಾ ಅಂತ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ.
ಅವ್ರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Vijay gives classes.
Yeah, so right now it is on Sunday, and we have other Utsahi Yoga teachers too. They are following different schedules. So whatever fits you, Krishna, you're welcome to join our classes.
Sure,
And-
definitely. It's exciting.
Yes, and I would like to say that as comfortable as you feel in Shavasana, that is how easy our classes are.
Woohoo!
Not think about our classes as, hey, you'll get a big workout and you will end up having to try challenging poses. No, just try our classes. Our system of practice is based on simple, scientific, and effective. So these three are the adjectives we always use. So this is the system that Guruji put in place, and we are trying to take it to future generations. So just simple, scientific, and effective. So please come over. Firstly, let's attend the conference. Let's get a good knowledge and insight about yoga, and then let's do yoga together. I promise you'll leave happy.
Scientific and effective ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವನು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತಾನೆ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೀ
No, Usha, no. This is why I say attending the conference is very important, because there are so many things in yoga that they're very, very simple. Just for example, this wrist movement here. That's so simple, but it's hard for many people who have stiffness, So we try and encourage such small, simple movements, one step at a time, baby steps in the beginning, and then we'll all go through the challenging.
Awesome.
Challenge
accepted. ಖಂಡಿತ ಭಾನುವಾರ we will join, and ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಜೆಂಡಾ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾದಾಗ ಖಂಡಿತ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ನೋ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಸ್ಸಂಜೆ ಮಾತುನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. And thank you so much for coming. And so ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, they are definitely going to watch it, register.
Thank you.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
And
already ಯಾರೋ ಉಷಾ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋಗ ನಿದ್ರಾ ಅಂತ, ಬಟ್ ವಿಜಯ ಅವರೇ, like you mentioned, out of this conference you're going to once you attend the conference you're going to leave happy, and also you're going to live happy. ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes, we are going to spread the utsaha among everybody from
yoga. Amazing. Yeah.
Yes, and one parting note, Usha. This yoga, our Utsahi Yoga Foundation and all of its work wouldn't have been possible without the support of all our practitioners, students, teachers, friends, well-wishers like you, So thank you so much for that support. And please encourage not just Indians, but non-Indians who are very much interested in personality. And this is a unique opportunity to get such speakers where, we are able to listen from wherever we are. So please do encourage everybody. Thank you so much.
It's been a pleasure having you, Vijaya. Thank you so much. Take care. All the way from Ohio. So thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Thanks.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.